soft, but it's very difficult to do. Harris Ralph, absolutely superb. 4 for 22. What a bowling performance from Pakistan all round. 134 for 8, New Zealand. My equal top scorer, 27 off 24. And all those at the bottom, this is what I was worried about from a New Zealand point of view, that big boy power. They just don't have it through the middle. Conway, Phillips, Seifert, Santner, all going into
4 for 22 in 4 overs. Standout figures from Harris Ralph. Shaheen 1 for 21 with 13 dot balls. Imad Wasim 4 overs of spin at the top, 1 for 24. Hassan Ali 3 overs. Shadab none for 19, 1 for 16, 2. Right, let's go downstairs to Danny Morris.
It's because it's a lot greyer looking. It's quite different from the other side of the square. What did you make of the 22 yards?
I think it kept a little bit low. It was spinning a bit as well. It helps if you ball first. It's not a typical Sharjah where you can go out scoring 200 runs.